Here we are, an unboxing of the Keni nightlight. Okay. Looks like micro USB charger. And one kind of soft button on top. Looks like probably just from touch. Instructions and the charger. Okay, this is the cord, about 3 feet in length. So let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, plugging in. Note it did not come with a charging block, it just came with the cord. So there's an on-off switch. Flip it on. There it is. Let's try tapping it again. And now, I wonder if I hold it, if it dims. Or, there it is. It's a tap and hold to adjust brightness. Okay. And it remembers what brightness you had it set for. Charging time around 2.5 hours. The indicator will be off after fully charged. Okay. And they say there's a hanging hook here. There it is. So you can hang it like that. Cool. So once it's fully charged, I guess you can unplug it and take it wherever you want. And I'm not sure how long it lasts for on a single charge, but I guess we'll find out. All right. Thanks, everyone.